And my ass hurts, and my hands hurt, and my ears are ringing. Do I have an apple? I might have an apple. A whisper of breeze. Eh. Very cool. Yeah, clearly I don't know where I'm going. My cooking segment. Voila. Super amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is my camp from last night. It's a pretty nice spot. It's a lovely river. Yeah, it's sick. But I'll take you into under the tarp. We have the stove and sort of bits and pieces. I just took off the tank bag last night because I needed stuff out of it, and because I had the tarp over the bike, I thought it'd be a pain to get to. But yeah, it's pretty good. So this is a food bag that I put on the back of my bike. This is clothing like jackets and clothing that I don't need all the time. That goes right in the bottom of the bag. This is clothing that I need all the time, every time I get off the bike at night. So just a pair of pants and a t-shirt. There's all my other gear over there. It did get a bit wet from condensation, but yeah, charging everything last night. This is really good. It's like $80. Yeah, can charge all your stuff. Phone maybe 10 times or something. Milk, coffee. This goes inside my tank bag. It's just like a lip balm, knife, pen, spare batteries, so on. Yeah, that's good to just be able to take in and out, especially for all your lights and stuff in it. So yeah, just gonna make a coffee, have my cereal, enjoy this area. It's really nice. New South Wales. I think it's camp number 8, but this is probably the real camp. The other ones were behind bars and behind or at caravan parks. So yeah, I did ding my knee a little bit yesterday. It was a bit sore during the night, but hopefully it's alright. I can walk on it. Sometimes it sort of pinches a little bit. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah. So today, maybe 500 Ks, maybe. See how we go with my knee. But yeah, even if I do 250 and have another night in the bush, it's alright. I just got to get some more water on the other side. And fuel, I think there's fuel in about 100 Ks. So I'll go do that. Yeah. So this is the back side. So I just tied up the tarp with some rocks, and then I made a string line because the trees were too far away, because I didn't want to camp under it because it looked very much like a limbs were going to fall off it. So I just made up this little A-frame, this one, and then with some rocks I anchored it, and then it kept the fly up on the inside. And then yeah, I could tie up the fly from the hammock off my bike. The Cedar Summit chair is really good, but sometimes you just can't be bothered putting it together. So I don't know if another chair will be better. This would be great for hiking and stuff, but I just want to get out of bed and jump straight into a chair, not take my bed apart, and I don't know. I think it's just laziness. But yeah, pretty amazing spot. Hopefully my knee isn't destroyed. Sweet little spot. You. Have fun at work. Okay, we're just leaving the campsite. My knee feels a little sore. We should be right. It's neutral.
It's a bit of a chilly start this morning. I didn't want to put my gear on because all my gear was wet. But now that I'm going, it seems to be alright. It's still keeping a reasonable pace. Just not when I'm talking on camera because I don't want to screw myself again. So just coming out of the forest to this, it's pretty amazing. It hasn't been my best day of riding. Feel a bit stiff or something, but yeah. I just can't get my flow on. But yeah, we'll get there. Just take it easy. But yeah, it's amazing when you pop out to little spots like this. So sick. And these guys are guarding the road. Oh, look how big that motherfucker is. Hey buddies, you wanna move? Come on. Where you gonna go? You're not gonna move. What the hell? You go away, big guy. Thank you. Go that way. That big guy's angry. Never a dull moment. So I've had a couple of moments today. I don't know if it's just tired or just special. But I nearly threw my bike off the side of that cliff over there in those trees. Yeah, I wasn't recording it, but I was braking, but I must have had a bit of throttle on at the same time, so I was just pushing the bike. I was fucking oh man, you know when you like just see it happening and going, oh my god, this is gonna suck. But yeah, we made it out of there alive, which is nice, and my bike is still going. So yeah, there was some slippery clay parts and had both wheels sliding around corners and stuff. It was a lot of fun, but because of my knee, it was a lot harder because I couldn't really stand very well. But yeah, just some silly moments. I was just like, why won't my bike stop? And it's like pushing me off a cliff. And yeah, there's no way I would have been able to get my bike. It would have just been gone. But yeah, now we're in this amazing farmland again. I love those flowers, eggs, something around. See, look how cute they are. But I bet they're a pest. They're amazing though. Hey little buddies. Cute little buggers. And you, and you, and you. Yep, that's it. Carry on. So yeah, Bellbrook, interesting characters. So we're then back in the bush, mate. What's it, European? They cut 2 off a packet, sold to me for $1. So I'm making it, I thought that was like gift to me. Oh, how do you open it off? So this is what we're riding through. Pretty amazing. All the hills, so dense, so cool. And there's a little beast. She's doing great. Carry on for another 100 k's or so. See what time it is and then maybe find a camp or something. Would be nice to get to Nimbin today, but
So I continued riding, ended up in Nimbin that night. The next footage is the next morning. Next time on Gary's Mini Adventures.
It's an amazing Nimbin rock, a little dodgy bridge.